Mautic Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Mautic, an open-source marketing automation platform that offers a range of features aimed at enhancing customer engagement and streamlining marketing campaigns. Mautic is designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to larger enterprises who need a robust yet flexible solution for automating email marketing, lead management, and customer relationship management, CRM. One of Mautic's standout features is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms, allowing you to centralize all your marketing efforts. It supports integrations with CRM tools, social media, analytics platforms, and other marketing software, making it a versatile tool for marketers who want to leverage multiple channels. The drag-and-drop email builder is intuitive, which is especially helpful for users with little technical experience, while still offering advanced customization options for seasoned pros. The automation features are top-notch. You can create complex workflows that trigger based on user behavior or predefined conditions, ensuring that your audience receives personalized content at the right time. Whether it's email nurturing, customer segmentation, or follow-ups, Mautic automates it all, saving you a significant amount of time. The campaign builder is flexible, allowing you to map out your entire customer journey and execute it flawlessly. Another key feature is the ability to track customer interactions across various channels. Mautic offers detailed reporting and analytics, giving you insights into how your campaigns are performing in real time. This allows you to optimize your strategies based on data rather than guesswork, which is critical for improving ROI. The platform also supports A/B testing, so you can refine your campaigns to get the best results. However, Mautic is not without its drawbacks. While the open-source nature of the platform means it's free to use, it can require a bit of a learning curve, especially for those who are not familiar with self-hosted solutions. Setting it up on your server may be a challenge without some technical knowledge. Additionally, the interface can feel cluttered and overwhelming at times, particularly for new users. In conclusion, Mautic is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a customizable, scalable marketing automation solution. Its features are comprehensive and powerful, but it's most suited for users who have some technical expertise or are willing to invest time into learning the platform. If you're ready to take your marketing automation to the next level and don't mind the setup effort, Mautic is definitely worth considering.